Are you a beginner who wants to learn an easy yet groovy chord progression? Watch this video till the end and learn this groove. Hey, this is the Bearded Guitarist. Welcome to the channel. Whether you are a beginner who wants to learn some R&B, Neo Soul, acoustic grooves, or you simply never explored this style before, this is the video for you. Let's get started having a look at the two chords we'll need today. The first chord is a Dmaj7, and you play it with the first finger on the root note, the D note on the 5th fret of the A string, then ring finger, fret 7 of the D, second finger on fret 6 of the G, and little finger on fret 7 of the B. The second chord is a Gmaj7, which you play with the first finger on the G, 3rd fret of the low E string, then you skip the A string and you play with the 3rd and 4th fingers, the 4th fret on the D and G strings, and then with the second finger, the fret 3 of the 2nd string. A simple 1-4 in the key of D major. Major 7 chords are common in R&B and Neo Soul. It's worth learning them. We'll be plucking fingerstyle the Dmaj7 using the thumb, index, middle and ring finger, and we'll be using the strings 5, 4, 3, 2. We'll be plucking twice and we'll be adding 2 smack percussions on the beats 2 and 4 this way. So only 2 plucks for this chord and 2 smack percussions. The counting goes this way: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's do it a little slower: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. On the Gmaj7, we'll be plucking the strings 6, 4, 3, 2, still using the same 4 fingers. We'll be plucking twice, then a smash percussion, pluck again, only once, and another smash percussion. So 3 plucks in total, and it goes this way. The counting goes like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. A little slower: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. The second pluck doesn't repeat the bass, so you will only be plucking index, middle and ring fingers using the 4th, 3rd and 2nd string. Here is your groove so far. If you are a complete beginner on this style, you could stop here and just work your way to practice this rhythm to feel comfortable with the timing. If you also want to learn a few easy R&B tricks that you can use in this chord progression, stick to this video till the end. The number 1 trick that we can add is a simple melody in between the chords. After playing the Dmaj7, you can add these notes E, F sharp, A, which are all on the B string, on frets 5, 7 and 10. In order to play them, you remove the last percussion, the second smack pluck, and you play them with a slide. Or after the Gmaj7, you can play these notes: C sharp, D, E. They are all on the B string again, and they are on frets 2, 3 and 4. And it sounds like this. Again, you remove the last percussion to fit the melody. You can start, for example, just using one of these tiny melodies in between the chords. The melodies are taken from the D major scale, this way. Or the other way around. Or you can use both. Please let me know in the comments if you already knew these two chords and if you are already implementing melodies in between your chord playing. The second trick that we can add is Hammer-ons and Slides. RnB and Neo Soul are full of hammer-ons, pull-offs and slides. In fact, the episode 4 of this series is all about hammer-ons and pull-offs, so make sure to watch it if you're interested in learning them. On the Dmaj7, you can hammer on the pinky on the second string, almost like you want to play it a little later. And you can do that on the first pluck. On the Gmaj7, you can slide into the chord from the previous fret this way. You can do that on the first pluck or on the last one. As usual, feel free to use them from time to time to spice up your rhythm. Okay, the last trick is moving the Gmaj7 to another position, 1 octave higher, using the same shape as the Dmaj7. You don't need to learn another chord position, you'll just move the Dmaj7 position from fret 5 to fret 10 of the A string. You can do it with or without hammer-ons. Feel free to add slides as well if you like it. Which of these tricks did you enjoy the most and which one will you apply to your 2-chord groove? Let me know that in the comments. If you made it so far in this video, thanks a lot for watching. Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell to stay up to date with the next videos. Also, like and share this video if you enjoyed it. Check out the other videos of this RnB Neo-Soul Acoustic Guitar series, and if you're interested in learning more about music theory for guitarists, join my Friday live streamings on YouTube. Feel free to share your RnB groove on Instagram, and if you tag my profile and use the hashtag #TheBeardedGuitarist, I'll be able to repost you in my stories. See you in the next video.